You bitch. Who's a good fanboy? You're the only person I fought. You're the only person I killed, so it's you. It has to be you. Yeah? Are you talking about real life ones or are you talking about fake ones? You're my imaginary friend.